Good day, Sir Faura. This is my interpretation about Dreamweavers by Marjorie Evasco. We are entitled to our own definitions of the world we have even common. So for me, on my own interpretation, in the world we have our own definition, but we even have a common because we have a power to fight, especially to women, their personality and their confidence. That's why women can do what they boys doing. Yung parang ikaw na yung mismo kumukontrol sa sarili mo. Yung competitive ka talaga na yung kinatatuyuan mo ngayon is kaya mo nang lagpasan para makamit yung pangarap mo. Yung parang example, yung personality and yung confidence, dapat talaga meron ganyan. Kasi kailangan na kailangan sa atin yung ganyan para masabi natin kaya na natin. So, many women can have their personality. Other people try to fight even if it's hard, the life full of sadness. Sometimes, but everybody didn't want to do that because they are independent people. So, syempre, tayong mga tao, may kanya-kanya na naman din tayong na independent tayo na even if the life is so hard, we try to fight, to survive, and especially to sacrifice what they are now. Syempre, tayo mahirap lang. Pero nang dahil lang sa ating personality, confidence, parang mas napapaano natin yung sarili natin na, ay, kaya pala natin. So, it reflects our lives in how women and men fight for their personality, but their dreams are achieved because of their power of dreams made by God. So, nagre-reflect siya sa ating mga tao, men and women. So, yung world natin is nahahati naman, yung natin is nahahati sa dalawa, especially yung men and women, tas yung pangarap nila na ma-achieve nila by their power, sacrifice, especially. We need that because, syempre, to achieve our dreams, we need to sacrifice to become a successful person in the future. That's why very important the personality, confidence, and alam mo na kung paano mong tumayo sa sarili mong mga paa to fight and to sacrifice all. So, this is my interpretation about Dreamweavers by Marjorie Evasco. Thank you.